What is up, Tech Squad? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are in the real supermarket to see the C40 in action. And here we go. This is the KEENON KLEENBOT C40, and it's not just a regular cleaning machine for medium-sized spaces. This is a real game changer, and you're about to understand why. Firstly, let's talk about the problem these things solve. For commercial cleaning, traditional methods aren't always that great. You might need to sweep first and then mop, and let's be honest, the results aren't always that great. And also, floor types. Different floor types might need different tools. Not to mention quality control, pretty often it's just a checkbox on a piece of paper. The C40 says no to all of this. This is all-in-one powerhouse. It can sweep, dust push, vacuum, and scrub. It builds for places like retail stores, office buildings, schools, you name it. If it has a floor between 500 and 3,000 square meters, this robot can handle it. Now let's geek out on the engineering. The revolutionary triple roller system. Look at this. This is pure genius. Two front rollers for dry pickup. They grab and lick debris into the dustbin, keeping it completely dry. Then a separate rear roller and squeegee handle the wet scrubbing. This dry-wet separation means no muddy mess, no cross-contamination. It cleans in one pass. You get superior cleanliness with garbage recovery rate over 99%. One pass, that's efficiency. And power, this thing has a whopping 23,500 PS suction force. That's the top of its class. It gulps down debris without clogging, and its custom squeegee and smart algorithm leave floors so dry they're ready in 30 seconds. No more caution wet floor signs taking up space. Walk on wet? Never again. It's not just brown, it drains too. This big beautiful screen makes interaction and breeze. And underneath the hood, a multi-modal 3D perception system with a ton of sensors. LiDAR, stereo vision, ultrasonics, line lasers, you name it. This thing sees everything. Navigates crowded spaces like a pro, avoid obstacles down to a tiny 3 centimeters cube, and even smartly detects different floor textures to optimize cleaning. Connectivity? Oh yeah, 100% digital smart management. Control it, schedule it, get detailed cleaning reports sent via email, all from an app or a web portal. But the best part? How easy to live with it. Modular design for light, fast maintenance, swap the dust bags and sewage bags in 5 seconds, change the roller brushes in 45 seconds. Need more juice? It's battery swaps in 5 seconds flat, no downtime. It's designed for dream operators. It's also built for the real world. Ergonomic handles make it easy to maneuver manually if needed. It works on marble, tile, wood, carpet. You get the picture. So what does the KEENON KLEENBOT C40 really deliver? It solves core pain point. It cleans better with its dry-wet separation and massive suction. It's radically more efficient, covering more ground with less human intervention. It's incredibly smart and connected, and is designed for easy, low-maintenance daily use. It's not just automating a task, it's elevating the entire standard of cleanliness and operational efficiency for businesses. If you enjoyed this review and want to discover more tech that's shaping the world, make sure to subscribe to the KEENON Robotics YouTube channel. Drop a comment and let us know what other commercial or robotic technologies you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.